Scottish cathedral. Strange place to bury your treasure, no?
Not really. I mean, by the time Avery would have sailed here, the place was already abandoned.
I guess that's true. Plus, with the massive bounty on his head, it'd be a good place to hide. So, what happened between you and Rafe?
I couldn't deal with him. I'm pretty sure he'd had enough of me. I was still coming to grips with your, death, and with his frustration from not finding the treasure. I'm pretty sure he was ready to kill me by the time I bailed.
Imagine what he want to do to you now.
Yeah, trying not to. Sam, listen. He's ruthless. I mean, even more so than when we teamed up with him. I mean, I've heard stories.
Trust me, me too. All the more reason I don't feel bad about any of this. It's a long drop.
Yeah. I need to find another way down. Hey, this should hold.
Good call.
The hell is all this?
It's excavation equipment.
Shoreline?
What?
Look. I thought they were just by the cathedral.
Oh, shit! Get out! Okay, we're good.
Yeah. Nice to meet you too, Shoreline. Seems like they were expecting us.
And like they're searching away from the cathedral.
Which means we should get to that graveyard pronto.
Exactly. Why didn't you guys search beyond the cathedral?
Oh, we did, a little. But this place is so big, without knowing where to look, like shooting in the dark.
Or like blowing shit up in the dark.
Ah.
What is this place?
Monks had several living quarters. Main one being by the graveyard, of course.
Well, location, location, location. More shoreline equipment.
At least no shoreliners. Well, maybe we'll get lucky and they'll blow themselves up. How do we open this door?
What about this?
Now, what do you bet? Yep. Dynamite.
Be careful with that stuff, huh?
Hey, got the door open.
That was very loud. Hopefully they didn't hear us.
Hopefully we just blend in with the other explosions. Look, there's a way up through the roof. It's too high for a boost, though.
Hey, we can use that yellow crate.
Take that, door.
You're pretty good with that stuff.
Well, I've blown a lot of shit up over the years. Hey, we can use this to climb out of that building.
Shoreline. Hide!
Where's our boy? Keep your safeties up. Think it was those guys?
Oh, this should be fun.
I got it!
Nicely done. That could have been bad.
Yeah. Let's get out of here before anyone checks in on them. There. Come on, let's go.
Okay, now what?
Got it.
Whoa, careful.
I can hook that. There. Whew. All right, you think you can do that?
What are you talking about? I taught you that move.
All right, let's see it then.
There. You see?
That was clumsy. Sam, there's a ladder just out of reach.
Hey, hold up. I'll come over. All right. Give me a boost. Come here. I'll pull you up. There you go.
Thanks. All right, there it is. The Monk's Dorm. Just a hop, skip, and a jump away.
Don't jinx us.
Down we go. Whew. Burns a little.
Those are fun. I could do this all day.
Shh. You go where the money leads you.
That's cold.
It gets colder. I'm gonna take a leak while you educate our young recruit here.
So what happened next? Did he put down the revolt?
With our help, he kept it at bay. Once money ran out,
Nice one.
there's no reason for us to stick around anymore.
And the general?
You get the left one.
Lost the
I
night.
got right.
Cold bastards.
As Nadine says, business is business.
Gonna have to do better than that, fellas.
Let's see if we can keep this up.
You two done prepping the site?
Cemetery's ready for rich boys visit.
They're not slowing down, are they?
Boss lady wants the results. She wants them yesterday.
Have they found anything?
Heard they uncovered some stuff, but I don't know the details.
something, huh? Might be our rabbit.
You two done prepping the site?
Cemetery's ready for rich boys.
They're not slowing down, are they?
Lady wants the results. They want them yesterday.
Have they found anything?
But they uncovered some stuff. But I don't know the details.
Where the hell did he go?
Nothing.
That was kind of hairy.
Someone was bound to hear all that. Come on, let's get a move on. Right beyond those walls. Down we go.
Where did this asshole get off? Easy, bro. I nearly blew my goddamn arms off only to get chewed out by that Prick! I should have popped him.
The guide's fronting our entire crew.
Dynamite! Watch it! All right, let's keep going.
Sam! This way!
Nice. You're back where we started. Get back here.
Whoa!
Shit. Okay. If he did it, I can do it. Whoa! Whoa! It's better than bungee jumping.
Have you ever been bungee jumping?
No, but I'm sure this is better. So, this is what you've been up to all these years? Jumping around ruins?
Yeah, that and getting shot at. Blown up. Punched. Kicked.
All right, I get it.
Knifed. Drugged. Ha! That's that.
Not quite. Still gotta climb higher to cross the ravine.
I hope we're done sliding for a while. My ass is full of gravel.
Here's a dormitory gate.
Ha-ha! Stuck the landing. Hey, give me a hand. Come on. All right, I got it. Go.
Okay, come on.
And we're here.
Yes, we are. Jesus. Look at this place.
Welcome to the St. Dismas Dormitory, alleged final resting place of one Henry Avery.
Let's find that grave. Hey, Nathan, Check it out. This one's got a pair of cutlasses. It's like the scroll from the cross.
The dates aren't right.
Well, one down and a hell of a lot to go.
Okay. Cross cutlasses, skull and crossbones, and the date 1659 to 1699. We find a tombstone with all three, and we're in business.
Well,
Let's.
Hey, check this one out. Here lies infamous Captain Tripp. Got drunk one night and fell off his ship. Hey, okay, I just made that one up.
Yeah. Mom always said I was the funny one. Yeah, well, swords are a match. So is the year. Sam, come here.
Where'd you find it?
Benjamin Bridgman.
That's Avery's alias.
Something odd about this skull, though. It's like it doesn't belong to the stone.
Well, and what's odd about it is that's not Avery's sigil.
Huh, yeah, I mean, the skull should be facing sideways.
What is that?
My God. You ready for this?
Well, I've been ready for a long time.
Let's see what we got. It's a crypt.
A crypt? Hidden behind a secret door?
I assume the secret door was added afterwards.
To hide his loot.
Well, fingers crossed. Oh, gang's all here. Is this a door? Looks like a door.
I don't see a way to open it, though. What are these star symbols?
Jesus. Dismas on the left.
Penitent thief?
Gestus on the right.
Jerk thief.
Avery sure had a thing for St. Dismas, huh?
Well, Avery fancied himself a good thief, right? Only plundered and murdered the non-British heathens.
Guess that's what passed for good back then. Some kind of lamp. Hey, Smokey. Need your lighter over here.
You know, that hurts my feelings.
Not as much as it hurts your lungs.
Thank you, Father Duffy.
Isn't that something?
The light's coming from the other side of the wall.
Let's see here. Ah, I can aim the lights.
I am loving this.
Hey, here we go.
Oh, connect the dots.
That looks right. There we go.
Nathan, that's it. You got it. Looks like a constellation.
Yeah. That's Libra. The scales of justice.
That's an interesting choice for a bunch of pirates.
Okay, let's give this a shot.
Open sesame.
Wrong treasure.
Shush. Well, nice view. No treasure, though.
No, but... Look, you see those crosses?
Oh, yeah. Hey, is that a cave right below?
Yeah, I think Avery's trying to tell us where to go next. There's one problem, though. Going back that way means we have to go back toward the cathedral.
And back towards Rafe. Shit. Well, let's not keep him waiting.
Shit.
They opened the gate up there.
Good, because that's the way we gotta go. I follow my lead.
Anybody heard from the scout party up there?
Nothing. You think we have guests?
I wish. The storm
Hey, he's on the left.
If we don't hear back from them soon, I'll go check it.
Shit. Just saw something.
Be careful, please. What you got?
Oh, boy.
Drop this asshole!
Wait.
Got something over there. They're right here, eh? Fire them!
away.
Alan's sheep tossed him out of a 5-story.
He survived. Gosh, you can't bless.
That auction was fully guarded.
Not by shoreline. No, not by our boys.
All I'm saying is let's not underestimate these guys.
Let's not make them into something that...
What the? Ish.
Saw something. Do a sweep to confirm.
You got it.
What was it?
Nothing. Wait.
Got them.
Shot, little brother.
Okay. Think we're clear.
Well, that could have gone better.
We're still breathing. That's good enough.
Let's just get that gate open.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go! Got it! Come on!
Damn, that sucker's heavy.
I know, right? How you holding up?
Great. I was kind of hoping to find the treasure back there, but you know, it's never that easy, right?
That's been my experience.
Plus, there was that cool constellation thing.
Yeah, it was cool. Wow. Right under that high cross. That's where Avery wants us.
Well, what Avery wants, Avery gets.
Kid, what's your status?
Hey, Sully. We're on the trail, but treasure's closer to the cathedral than we originally thought.
Oh boy. So what do you need me to do?
Just keep those engines warm. We'll be back before too long.
You got it. Keep me posted.
Will do. I hear him.
You, of all people, should appreciate it.
What have we here?
Wars be on our heads. How about don't talk if you weren't there, eh? Every sort of massacre nowadays generates funds.
Very piratey.
We don't need rival companies stepping into our jobs. You know what? Forget it. Why'd you bring it up? I said, forget it. Whatever, man.
Heads up.
I guess there's no getting away from these guys.
Yeah, and there'll only be more as we get closer to the cathedral. Here we go. Come on, I'll boost you up there.
All right. Hell, I'm too high to reach you. Yeah, hang on a sec.
Hanging.
Let me see what's by that wooden structure over there. Hey, I got something. Here we go. Christ, this thing's heavy.
What exactly are you doing?
Giving you a way up. That'll support even your weight.
Ah, thank you.
Hey, you don't think the monks built this?
No way. It's some kind of pulley system.
To lift a whole bunch of treasure?
To lift something. I can't believe I missed this.
Clearly we were meant to find it together.
Hey, we can climb this!
On my way. Ah, I'm freezing.
This way! Okay, maybe this wasn't such a good idea! Oh! Holy shit!
Incoming! That was amazing.
Save your strength, huh? Not done yet.
Just lead the way.
Okay, maybe this wasn't such a good idea! No! Holy shit!
Incoming!
Hope this holds. Oh! This is a good idea! is a good idea.
Gotta say, you have a real knack for breaking things, especially cliffs.
Tell me about it.
All right, here we go. Christ's sake! You okay?
Yeah.
Like I was just saying.
Yeah.
Now, hold on, I'll see if there's a... Oh, shit!
Sam! I guess it runs in the family, huh?
Maybe so. Oh, you got it. I can't feel my hands. I think my blood thinned out or something after all those years in Panama.
Yeah, well, don't worry. The worst case, you lose a couple fingers.
Hold on. I'll help you up. There you go. Where would you be without me, huh?
Probably at home. Drinking hot cocoa?
What are you, 5?
Oh, tell me you wouldn't go for some hot cocoa right now.
Well, I mean, yeah.
Exactly. Here we go. Jesus.
I've got them here! Spotted! Go check it out!
Over there.
Oi! Fucking them!
One down. Okay, we're clear.
Let's hope we're done with these idiots. Hey, careful. Might be unstable after the blast.
Who does excavation with dynamite?
Hey, Sam, help me with this.
Oh, what if it's the only thing holding the tunnel up?
Then I'll apologize.
All right.
There, see? No problem.
Yeah, for once. Those things look sturdy to you?
Sturdy enough. Hey, be extra careful on these. Oh, crap! Ah,
Remember, extra careful.
thanks. Okay. Okay, we're good. We're good.
Kid, dog's picking up. How's it looking?
We're about to head into the cave.
The cave?
Yeah, might lose contact for a bit. Don't get too worried.
All right. Keep the porch light on for you.
All right. Call you soon.
We made it. It's quite the detour. Shoreline assholes were right now.
Yeah, but I think we're the first ones in here. Come on, through here. Glad I didn't eat a big breakfast.
Creepy St. Dismas statues? Check.
Carved stairs? Check.
Nathan, I think it's safe to say we're in a pirate cave. Oh, is that a door?
It sure looks like it. Come here. Check this out. A little slimy. There's a handle in here or something.
Well, give it a pull.
What? Could be a trap.
You're already in there. What's the worst that could happen?
I lose my hand?
So we'll get you a nice hook. Give it a pull.
Nice hook. All right, here we go.
Really?
Hello, hello.
It's pretty interesting decor.
For those who prove worthy, paradise awaits. To those who prove false, behold your grim fate.
Yeah, well, I guess Avery was a better pirate than a poet.
This isn't Avery's.
What do you mean?
Look,
It's the Rhode Island pirate.
Thomas too.
Yeah, but it can't be him. I mean, this is clearly his sigil, but two died attacking the same treasure fleet as Avery.
Yeah, well, at least that's what the stories tell us.
If this really is Two's mark, then that means he's involved in all of this. How?
That's a damn good question.